I have 4 tomato plants in pots on my back patio. All were doing quite well, especially with all the afternoon rain we've been getting here in Memphis. However, 2 days ago, I went to pick cherry tomatoes and found it withering. Do you have any idea what could have caused this? When I don't get rain, I water from a rain barrel. I have not applied any herbicides or fertilizers. I planted in Miracle Grow garden soil. At this rate, it will be dead in a week.
Oh, wow.
But I want the knowledge in case it happens again. I don't think it's a blight because it didn't have the spotted leaves I associated with blight. The withered leaves came off in my hand when I touched them. And this is from Tyra right here in Memphis. Great detail.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great detail.
Yeah.
All right,
Nice pictures, too.
Good pictures.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we think?
I think she loves it to death, and she's watering it to death.
Watered it too much.
Yeah, it's just
watered it
too much water. Yeah, tomatoes do like even moisture, but they don't like a lot of even moisture. They like to get a little bit dry, without drying out between waterings. And I think she just watered it a little bit too much. I would just watch the watering, and you know, the top might look dry. Yeah. But I say, you know, your finger is probably the best water meter you can find. And if you can put your fingers down in the soil and you can still feel moisture down there, then I wouldn't water it. I would wait till you can it starts getting dry when you poke your fingers in the container and then water it.
Yeah.
Anything to add
And
up?
I know the Miracle Grow soils, some of them can be real water retentive. You know, high organic matter peat moss or something.
Yeah.
So they can be just the top dry, but down in the bottom, it'll almost be soppy sometimes. Especially it needs to be well drained out the bottom.
Yes.
You know, and sometimes you need to lift that pot up, put on little pot feet so that the water is draining out, you know, well, because that can happen sometimes. You get kind of waterlogged, but yet a little bit drier on the top, but waterlogged at the base, maybe not draining like it should as well.
And I'll tell you something else. She's been watering
It's been
afternoon
raining.
showers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little benign neglect is a good thing.
It's a good thing. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.